These are the 5 things you absolutely need to know if you're buying a new front door. Number 1, size. What size door do you have if you're replacing a door? What size door do you need if it's a new construction home? That really is going to help the starting point. We don't know where to begin if we don't know how big the door is. Number 2, photos and plans. If you have plans, awesome. Even better, if you have photos for inspiration, that is the best thing we can absolutely use to direct you in the appropriate direction. There's so many options out there, and if we have an idea based on the photos of what you have dreamed up in your head, we can help bring that to reality very quickly. Number 3, it's all about the details. Details matter, especially when it comes to entry doors. You want to make that pop. You want it to be like no one else out there. You want that door to be your door. And how do you get it? You get it by the details. So do your research, use those photos, look at different doors around the neighborhood, see what you like, see what you don't like. So when you come in, you're prepared and ready to go to say, hey, I like this color, I like this stain, maybe I like that species or this wood grain or these types of hinges, you name it, to really nail down what you're looking to do. Again, we're gonna get you to the finish line. The more information we have, the faster we can get you there. Number 4, everybody forgets about hardware. Hardware for doors is so important. It's the jewelry of the front door. When you think about hardware, what color do you want? What's the interior hardware around your house and your interior doors? Do you have knobs? Do you have levers? Is there a certain function that's required for the hardware that you need? There's plenty of options out there, whether it's a multi-point lock, a mortise box, a tubular lock set, picture style handle sets, levers, knobs, you name it. It really, really matters that you nail that and get it right. So think about finishes, think about styles of hardware, and bring that with you so we know exactly where to direct you. And the last, budget. Number 5. Budget really matters when it comes to doors. There are doors that are extremely cost effective with good options associated with them, and there's also doors that are pretty high in price depending on what someone chooses. But if the dealer doesn't know what budget you're in, they're not going to know where to direct you. That can be made easier with photos and inspiration, of course, but if someone says, well, we have this sort of a budget for a project, this is really tight, it doesn't even have to be something exact, but at least that someone knows the universe that they're in, so they can best direct you, because no one wants to waste your time by taking you down a different road and getting you frustrated thinking about all these products and options if it's too expensive. Or on the other end, taking you down another path where you say, yeah, but I want those things, and down to a different avenue where those options aren't offered. So don't be afraid to talk about budget, because a lot of times things can be value engineered to meet your need. We can get you a look that you want with the budget that you need. So be upfront and honest about kind of where you're looking to be on pricing, and that'll get you really far, really quick. So those are my top 5 things that you should bring when you're looking to purchase a new entry door. If you need more help, contact us at monmouthmillwork.com.